Morning. Welcome to Monday Morning Gospel channel, where we take the readings of the week and try to make some applications to our lives. This week's reading is taken from Mark's Gospel. A leper came to Jesus, kneeling down, begged him and said, "If you wish to, you can make me clean." Moved with pity, he stretched out his hand, touched him, and said, "You may clean. I do will it." The leprosy left him immediately, and he was made clean. He was made clean. The power of a touch. Jesus made him clean. Another healing story. Much like last week, as he healed Peter's mother-in-law, he stretched out his hand. This week he touched him and made him clean. He took away the leprosy, but he also took away what separates him in society. What stood in the way between him and the relationship with his community and his family, his people. The power of the touch restored him and made him whole, took away his perceived sin, brought healing. Much like the pandemic, we've been missing the power of the touch. The distance we have with each other has caused challenges. Whether it's a hug, or grandparents, or visiting someone who's sick. So I'd like to share with you a little story. I used to work on the street a long time ago. And there was this woman who every month with her little disability check used to go to a spa or a salon and get herself made up. She got her hair done, she got a shampoo and a cut, she got her nails done, face done, her feet done. One week we went to her and we said, "Why? Why do you spend your little chuck on this every month?" And she said, "Because it's the only time anyone touches me. Living on the street, you become invisible. No one wants to touch you. So every month, I need that touch." It's the same we all need. That healing touch, that invitation. But remember, the leper approached Jesus. So we have to do the same. And then we have to try to open ourselves to see how Jesus does touch us and move us through our life together.